In this video, I'll show you how to target a specific location on Facebook ads. Targeting a specific location is one of the most powerful features of Facebook advertising. Whether your goal is to reach people in a single city, a particular neighborhood, or even within a small radius around your store, Facebook makes it possible. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be confident setting up location-based targeting for your campaigns. To start, you'll need to access Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by going to business.facebook.com. If you don't already have a Business Manager account, Facebook will guide you through creating one. The setup is quick and easy, usually taking just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, look for the green button that says Create. This is where you start a new ad campaign. Next, Facebook will ask you to select a campaign objective. This is essentially telling Facebook what you want to achieve. For example, do you want to drive traffic to your website, increase engagement on a post, or generate sales from your online store? Pick the objective that aligns with your goal. For the purposes of this tutorial, the specific objective isn't critical, since location targeting works the same way for all campaigns. But if you want to follow along easily, just select Traffic and click Continue. Now, you'll be on the campaign settings page. Here, you can name your campaign. Giving it a clear name helps you stay organized, especially if you're running multiple ads at once. You can skip the other campaign level settings for now. Scroll down and click Next to move to the ad set level. This is where the magic happens, including your location targeting. At the ad set level, you'll notice options like Budget, Schedule, Audience, and Placements. Today, we're concentrating on the Audience section, specifically Location. Scroll down until you see the Audience box, then find Location. This is where you'll define exactly where your ad will be shown. By default, Facebook might show the United States or your account's default location. Click the Edit button next to it to change it. You have multiple ways to set your target location. You can type in a country, state, city, or zip code. You can even drop a pin on the map for more precise targeting. For example, let's say you want to reach people in New York City. Type New York City in the search bar, and Facebook will suggest matching locations. Click on New York, United States, and your ad will now target that city. But let's say you want to get even more specific. For example, you might only want to target people within a 5-mile radius around your store or office. This is easy to do. Click the pin drop option on the map, then click on the exact spot where your business is located. Facebook will automatically create a circle around that pin. By default, it uses a 10-mile radius, but you can adjust it easily. On the left side of the map, there's a drop-down menu where you can change the radius from 1 mile up to 50 miles. Pick the radius that makes sense for your business. If most of your customers are nearby, a smaller radius is ideal. If you serve a wider area, choose a larger one. You can even drop multiple pins if you have more than one location. For example, if you run 2 stores in different towns, drop a pin for each. Facebook will then show your ad in both areas. Above the map, you'll see an option called People Living in or Recently in this Location. Click on it to see 4 different targeting options, which are essential for controlling exactly who sees your ad. The first option, Everyone in this Location, shows your ad to anyone currently in the area, whether they live there or are just visiting. The second option, People Living in this Location, limits your ad to residents only, perfect for businesses seeking local customers. The third option, People Recently in this Location, is ideal for targeting visitors or tourists who have just been in the area. The fourth option, People Traveling in this Location, targets individuals away from their home but currently in your target area. Choosing the right option depends on your campaign goals. If you're a local restaurant looking to attract regular customers, select People Living in this Location. But if you're running a promotion aimed at travelers or tourists, People Traveling in this Location could be the better choice. Location targeting is one of the most powerful tools Facebook offers, and once you understand how to use it, you can reach the right people at the right time, whether that's nearby neighbors, city residents, or visitors passing through your area. By combining pins, radius adjustments, and targeting options, you can make sure your ad dollars are spent efficiently and reach the audience that matters most. Now that you've set your location, it's time to finish configuring the rest of your audience settings. Facebook allows you to narrow down your audience even further by selecting the age range, gender, and detailed targeting options. For example, if your business sells products specifically for women aged 25 to 40, set that age range and choose the female gender. In the detailed targeting section, you can refine your audience even more by including interests or behaviors. Suppose you run a fitness studio. You might want to reach people interested in yoga, exercise, or healthy living. Simply type those interests into the search bar and select the ones that match your target audience. This helps make sure your ad is seen by people who are most likely to engage and convert. Once you're satisfied with your audience settings, it's time to set your budget and schedule. Facebook gives you two main options: daily budget or lifetime budget. A daily budget means Facebook will aim to spend roughly that amount each day. A lifetime budget spreads your total ad spend across the entire campaign period. Pick the option that fits your strategy. After that, set your start and end dates to define when your ad will run. Next, scroll down and click Next to move to the ad level. This is where you create the ad that people will actually see. First, choose your Facebook page and Instagram account if you have one connected. Then decide what type of ad you want to run: a single image, a video, a carousel, or a collection. Upload your media, write an eye-catching headline, and craft your primary text. Don't forget to include your website link or call to action button. Before publishing, double-check everything. Make sure the correct page is selected, your text has no errors, and all links are working properly. When you're ready, hit the Publish button in the bottom right corner. Facebook will review your ad, which usually takes a few minutes, though sometimes it may take up to 24 hours. Once approved, your ad will start showing to the people in the locations you selected. Let's go over a few best practices to make your location targeting even more effective. First, avoid targeting an area that's too wide. If your business is local and only serves one town, don't target the entire state. This wastes money on people unlikely to become customers. Second, make your ad relevant to the local audience. Mention the city, neighborhood, or area in your copy if possible. Third, test multiple locations if you're unsure where your best customers are. Run the same ad in a few nearby towns and see which performs best. Facebook Ads Manager will show you metrics for each ad set. Finally, monitor your results regularly. After your ad has been running for a few days, check metrics like reach, clicks, and cost per result. If one location isn't performing, you can turn off that ad set or adjust the targeting. Location targeting on Facebook is incredibly powerful. It allows you to reach the right people in the right place at the right time. By following these steps, setting up your campaign, choosing your target locations, adjusting the radius, and publishing your ad, you can make sure your marketing budget is spent efficiently and reaches the people most likely to convert into customers. Now you have the complete process for targeting a specific location on Facebook ads. With this knowledge, you can create highly effective campaigns that connect with your ideal audience and drive better results for your business. Whether it's a single store, multiple locations, or specific neighborhoods, precise location targeting will help you maximize your advertising efforts and grow your business faster.